line, would you please welcome from Monterey Farm, Balayan, Batangas. Kailangan ganon. Kailangan yung salute yung mga welcome niyo sa ASA. Ladies and gentlemen, the only daughter of Mang Tomas, the cousins of Mila, Lydia, and Gracia, and the best friend of Tintin. Related to the Elars family, she's now currently residing at La Loma, Quezon City, and passed through the quality standards of the Meat Inspectors Association of the Philippines, approved ng BFAD. Would you please welcome, maganda. Ikot ka ha, pagka would you please welcome ang star ng Noche Buena, Chokla, with her own version of the song Weak. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control. To take up from me, it has taken you look so amazing, it's not fair. Sandali, Sky, hi! Ano? Yung sinabi mo, anong ginawa niya? Original yun. Oh, original version ginawa mo ng Weak. Ayun naman yung version ko. Ilang beses yung inulit-ulit your own version. Kasi kung original, hindi magpa-play lang kayo original lang, di ba? Huwag kang matigas ang ulo, ilang beses mo. Ay, kailan talaga sutil ka eh. Original version yung ginawa mo. Ang gusto nila marinig, yung version mo! Anong version ko? Pero yung ano, yung weak! Yung gusto marinig! Just so simple instruction, hindi mo sundan. Ano? Utak mo, may mantika mo, hindi makagalaw. Painitin mo nga yun. Gawin mo! Ayun. Yun, version. Okay. Gagawin mo, hindi. Bilisan mo, anong oras na ako, nag-aantay yung matadero sa'yo. Bakal niya ang kapal. Ayos ka. I get so weak. Diba? Mas maganda. Makapayat ka muna. Ano mo yung Diyos mo? Hindi mo alam kung ano yung stocking, stripes, at polka dots. O, kita mo, isang pinto lang, sipasikip na sa'yo. High blood. Ito ang panoorin nyo kakaiba. Ito ang panoorin nyo.